A big Bitcoin move is around the corner, because while Bitcoin is sitting at a massive level of support, a lot of liquidity is piling up on the top side. A massive short squeeze is going to be inevitable, and we are going to need to be talking about that exactly in today's update video. What is going to be that next Bitcoin move? Altcoin season is around the corner and much more things we need to discuss. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into our short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin is still consolidating. We are currently still trading inside of a weekend, and yes, consolidation at around that semi-close price during the course of the weekend is just going to be expected. Now yes, Bitcoin has been breaking towards the downside from this uptrending level of support. Yesterday we have been perfectly retesting this one as previous support, turning in towards resistance. We have gotten a rejection from of this level. This has not been looking very good. I've been saying this yesterday. This is the moment of truth for Bitcoin. Can we be breaking back above? Well, we did not. We got another rejection. Now, of course, Bitcoin has been cooling off over here ever so slightly in the recent few days. Why has this been happening? Well, first of all, because the stock market has also been cooling off towards the downside, because the probabilities of the Fed cutting interest rates have massively shifted. Now, I actually do think that a lot of people are getting this wrong in the market right now. A lot of people are getting bearish because of this news we have been getting in the past couple of days. But I actually do think in the long run, this is going to be a very bullish thing. This is having a very bullish effect on the market, and many people are getting this wrong. Now, I've been talking about this more extensively in yesterday's update video, but yeah, what you need to understand is that passing the interest rates here is one of the most bullish things that could happen for the markets at this current moment. A lot of people are getting this wrong. So anyways, yeah, while Bitcoin has been breaking down in that imminent short term, it is sitting at a massive level of support right now at this current moment. I have been opening up an ever so small little long position over here over on Blofin, only $1,000 in profit, but still, yeah, I do think that Bitcoin is going to be seeing a bigger bounce over here. Now, if we're going to be dropping some lower, if we're going to be dropping towards this level of support once again, I will be increasing my position because it is just so small right now at this current moment. But anyways, yeah, Bitcoin sitting at a massive level of support right now at this current moment. I do think we're going to be seeing a bounce. I do think we're going to be getting held by this level over here, because if we're going to be having a look in towards the metrics, if we're going to be zooming in towards what is happening right now in the market, well, we can be having a look in towards the Bitcoin funding rates, and the Bitcoin funding rates are looking extremely bullish at this current moment. The Bitcoin funding rates are even trading negative on exchanges, for example, Bybit, meaning that literally majority of the Bitcoin traders are right now trading short, and this in a Bitcoin bull market, this is extremely bullish. This is meaning that majority of that liquidity is being built up on that top side, which we can clearly be seeing over here. More than $100 million in Bitcoin short liquidations sitting above us, sitting at about that 110k level. So a move towards the upside is going to be inevitable once again. Bitcoin always goes towards the place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at, and right now the majority of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are trading negative. People are shorting the market, and usually Bitcoin will wreck the most amount of Bitcoin traders. So this means that a move towards the upside is just going to be highly likely, in my opinion. Also, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has been cooling off ever so slightly by this Bitcoin dump towards the downside. If we're going to be having a look into what's Bitcoin history is just still exactly being repeated. I think we are right now in our slow consolidation towards the upside, but eventually we're still going to be getting this big move towards the upside. We're still going to be seeing this big breakout towards the upside. So let's see whenever we're going to be seeing this break towards the upside outside of this pattern over here. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is still looking very good at this current moment. We are still trading inside of this uptrend. We are still getting a lot of momentum towards the upside, and as long as Bitcoin is still going to be trading inside of this uptrend over here, I will still remain to be bullish on Bitcoin. Of course, the trend is your friend right now. In that imminent short term, we are creating this level of resistance. Let's see when Bitcoin can be breaking above this level of resistance over here. Now, of course, once again, do keep in mind we are trading inside of a weekend, and we have been getting a perfect rejection by this level of resistance over here. We have not been exactly hitting that 110k level just yet, but we have been coming very close, and we are getting a rejection already from of this level. This is going to be a huge and major level we need to be watching for Bitcoin over here. Anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now as well in that imminent short-term hold, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses. You can be trading with no KYC, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to sign up a new account over on Blofin, claim these deposit bonuses, and start trading Bitcoin, start trading altcoins. So make sure to be checking it out with that first link down below. Now, of course, do keep in mind, do check if it's going to be legal in your country to be trading Bitcoin. But yeah, everyone is able and eligible to be signing up an account. So make sure to be doing that. Anyways, guys, if we're going to be having a look into the altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance is getting a rejection ever so slightly in that short term. Looking very good. I just think we're going to be creating another lower high over here. Looking very good. We're just flipping our trend from an uptrend in towards a downtrend right now. So I think altcoin season is about to be starting any moment right now. We're just in this similar stage like we were in over here. And right now, the full on altcoin season is about to be getting started any moment now. Now, if we're going to be having a look into what's history, well, history is clearly indicating that at about Christmas, altcoin season always is starting. So let's see if this is going to be happening once again. Christmas has marked the start of the altcoin season during the last cycle. So let's see if that's going to be happening once again. Anyways, I do think that we have been seeing the final shakeout before the real breakout, before the real altcoin season, before everything is literally about to be going parabolic. I think this is going to be a perfect moment to be accumulating. I've been accumulating a lot of coins. I've been accumulating a lot more of Ethereum. We've been touching that 3.1k level. We have been bouncing from that level already, but I've been accumulating a lot more coins over here. But anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.